Everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dutch the Diesel Technician, man, back with another fun video today. I'm gonna do an update on my toolbox. I'm gonna do a toolbox tool update. Alright, so start off up here. Got some sockets up here. Stuff missing off of here because I got my service card, my sockets on my service card, but this is where I keep my sockets. Got some liquid Band-Aid for when I get injured, pain medicine, Motrin, safety glasses, oil stickers and stuff like that. Okay. 3/4 sockets, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. You need those sizes. It's an extension drawer. My extensions in there. This is where I keep my bolts and stuff like that, spare stuff, in case I need it. You need a drawer like this on your toolbox, trust me. And this is for when I need to pull balancers and pulleys and stuff like that. And then there's flaring tools in there for flaring pipes, brake lines and stuff like that. Punches, chisels, files, tire stuff in here, Dremel stuff, some spark plugs, stuff for my Dremels, accessories, sandpaper. This is ASE standard stuff, standard wrenches. This is a good one. I use this a lot. You can adjust it, different sizes, and this end works the same for smaller bolts. So this is standard. Here's my metric drawer. Got some of this stuff on the cart. Some of these wrenches are on the cart too. Screwdrivers, tire pressure, inspection mirror, brake tool. Yeah. Oh, and my screwdrivers and stuff. Picks. Pliers. Bunch of pliers in here. Needle nose, you name it. And that's the top half. Bottom half for the toolbox. This is my Allen stuff. Some of this stuff is on the cart too. Electrical stuff, compression tester here, engine compression tester, electrical stuff here. I keep that in here. Cutters, snips, scrapers, things like that. Dikes, all that in here. Ratchets, some of those are on the cart. Oil sockets from the Mercedes and different types of cars, Volkswagens. Prop bars, pullers, pickle forks, Pitman arm puller, drill bits in here, drill bits. Mac tool oil filters for the Toyotas. V6, V4. 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder. Just hammers. Cheetah pipe. And these are for my tie rod tool. These are the adapters for that, Matco. And then this is my power stuff. Whether it be pneumatic or electric, battery. Doesn't really matter. It's in here. Multimeters, OBD2s, Dremel, impacts, electric, drill, air hammer, another Dremel. Last but not least, and this is nothing but tap and die set. And this is my dial indicator here. So over here on the cart, this is my Ingersoll Rand W7150 Matco 16 volt. This is not the 12, this is the 16. This is one that's stronger, a lot stronger. The Bionic wrench, Mac tools, got some hex, driver set, some more sockets. They was missing from up the top. Some more sockets here, the adapters, wrenches. This is my big boy Mac ratchet, 1/2 inch. This is a beast. My Mac ratchets, Matco. I use this one more than any other one. Cobalt, 3/8. Flexible extension. You need to bend around them corners sometime. This is for when you oil drain pro, oil plug. If you need to do an oil change. This is magnetic for socket holders. This is more sockets that I have. Then I got over here, let me move my work orders. Got some Mac code sockets. There. And then in here, I have more power tools. You know, Sawzall, Hyper Tough, angle grinder. So, this is that's what I use in here on the daily. That's what I run in the shop. Everything you just saw. As you can see, we got truck here, car here, truck there, another one over there. So I'm Dusty Diesel Technician. Y'all know my slogan. Subscribe, keep me alive. Thanks for watching.